Quant is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, I know it's been a long time since I've made a quant video, and I do have some fair excuses if you guys want to see. Number one, of course, is the fact that quant was just pretty much consolidating within this range at 154 and 144, and there wasn't really a point to make a video for a $10 range. Now, in the last series when I talked about it about a few weeks ago, I mentioned in order for quant to see a bullish case scenario, it's going to be very important for us to try to hold above the 144 range and use it as support in order to see that continuation. Instead, you can see that we retested this level of support as resistance, and that's what caused a massive move overall, retesting our overall support level once again at 124. For those of you in the Telegram channel, you guys already knew the fact that our 124 level was going to be the play for an area of support. Now the question remains, of course, is looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have seen a very strong bullish engulfing candle break above our exponential moving averages and immediately get rejected. Of course, we are trading off weekend volume, which is very manipulated, but what I'm waiting to see, of course, is whether or not the 124 support level ends up holding a nice area of support before that continuation, because if we do end up seeing this area act as resistance on that retest, ladies and gentlemen, things are going to get bad extremely fast for quant overall. You guys already know the major level of support that remains on quant is the 112 support level, this magical blue line that I have drawn here, because every time quant ends up breaking that support level, we tend to see some massive capitulation. As the same point, when we end up breaking above the resistance, we see a very nice breakout opportunity. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see the exact same situation once again. Quant broke below 112. We ended up going all the way down to the $87 support, and once we broke above that level, we saw a massive move going all the way up to around the $200 point. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, since we are rejecting these exponential moving averages, this is going to be the next play opportunity and a possible buy opportunity on quant overall. If you guys look here, even on the daily time frame, you'll notice the fact that's probably the most ideal range in terms of a correction, where we end up retesting the 112 support level, possibly using it as resistance for that continuation. Now, I want to talk about the daily time frame specifically. Zooming out on quant, you'll notice something that's very interesting. Number one, of course, when we had this massive rally opportunity, I mentioned to you guys multiple times, as soon as we broke below the exponential moving averages, we were in a massive downtrend overall. These exponential moving averages are perfect indicators to know whether or not we are going to be changing the trend. And you'll notice when we broke above the 112 support level and started to use these EMAs as support, we had the same exact correlation from the previous top, where we ended up breaking below those EMA lines, reusing them as resistance. And as of right now, you'll notice something that is very ideal. Look at the daily time frame in terms of the 124 support level. You'll notice our exponential moving averages are pushing lower. We are using this level as resistance, as well as the fact that we keep retesting this area of support multiple times. For those of you that have been watching my videos, you guys already know that we tend to see a massive breakdown formation every time we end up breaking below this range. And with these three confluences, this is the perfect recipe for a disaster. I'm going to be paying very close attention to seeing whether or not, of course, quant does end up breaking the 124 and possibly even the 112. Our area of opportunity would remain at $87 in order for a take profit level, because of the fact that quant has already retested the $99 range 3 times. This would become the 4th test opportunity, and this is the ideal situation where we want to be in from a bearish case scenario. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.